FTMO is one of the best trading app that you can download and install on your Android smartphone to start trading. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right FTMO trading app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. All right, to get started, you need to go ahead and look for Google Play Store app on your Android smartphone to be able to get this trading app. So I'll go to Play Store here. So go ahead and look for yours. And once you are here, go ahead and first log in with your Gmail account before you can search for your app. Now go ahead and activate search here, or you can go directly to search app and games here. Search for the app FTMO and search. And now you can see we are directed to this app. So go ahead and tap on it to expose and see details about it. Make sure it is from FTMO. This is the company that produces this gaming app. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 on Google Play Store with over 25,000 reviews. And the file size is 50 MBs. This might change with time. At the time of recording this as well, this app has been downloaded over 500,000 times. Now, if you see these details, then you'll know that you have the right app. And here is the current logo for the app. So to get this, go to install. And when you tap this, you'll go ahead and begin installing FTM Modern Prop Trading app, and then install it on your smartphone. Once this app has been installed, you can proceed and open it straight from here. Or if you go to your apps, so I'll go back to my apps. Now you can see our FTMO trading app is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it to open. And this is the welcoming interface for this app. Go ahead and sign in and set up your account to start exploring and trading. If you have any other question, just let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.